Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the display option. Now let's tap on advanced, and as you can see here we've got the screen timeout, so let's tap on it. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 minutes or 30 minutes even. And as you can see right now we've got 10 minutes applied, this option is marked. And in order to change it, just tap on the time you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, just tap on it. And as you can see, it is notified here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually, that's all. This is how to set the screen timeout in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.